Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. In the last class, I taught you about the sentences, isn't it? In the grammar. Today, in the grammar, we'll continue in the grammar itself. Today, we are going to speak about the articles. Next topic is articles. Today, we are going to learn about the articles. Okay. And one more thing, children. One more thing I want to inform you. Many students are using 100 pages single line book. 100 pages single line book. You are using for classwork and homework. I told you to use 192 pages single line book, one for classwork and one for homework. Use short notebook. If you are having previous year's book, means last year's book, if you have used only 2 pages in that, tear that 2 pages and you can use that as a classwork for this year. Okay, there is no need to buy new one. No problem. You can use last year's only. Last year, if you have used only 2 pages in that book. Okay, not half of the book you have used and now half of the book you can use for class this academic year. No. Only 2 pages. If you have used 1 page or 2 pages or 3 pages, if you have used, tear that pages and you can use that as a classwork for this academic year. Okay. I hope you have understood. And assignments I have given you in the last class. Many students have not submitted the assignments. Please submit the assignment and the classwork every Wednesday. I want your classwork as well as your homework. And the second lesson notes has been updated in PDF. Please write the notes very neatly. If you can't see, please zoom the screen and you have to see that properly and you have to write. Okay, zoom the screen, then you can able to see. Okay, don't make mistakes, children. Don't scribble. You have to maintain good handwriting. Write in a good handwriting. Don't scribble. Don't pour some water, milk and all. Okay, keep it safe and neat. Okay, and start reading for the test, children. Your test will be coming soon, so please start reading for the test. Okay, which are the portions we have completed? Start reading. Okay, children, we'll continue our class. Today we are speaking about the articles. What do you mean by the articles? Articles, the words a, an and the are articles. A and the are called articles. The words a and an are called indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. A and an. A and an. See, I am marking. See, a and an are called indefinite articles. The word the. The word the word the is called definite article. The word the is called definite article. When we are going to we use them when we are talking about a thing in general. When we are going to use a and when we are talking about a thing in generally, we'll use when you are talking about thing, or when we are talking about unknown introduced. These are words when you are using in the sentence, when you are using a and. When we use them when we are talking about a thing in general. We use the articles a and an when we talk about a thing which is new, unknown, or introduced, when you are introducing someone to the listeners for the first time. Example, I've given you 2 examples. I have a car. See, I've used an indefinite article here. A. I have a car. It is introducing. You are telling for someone about your car. I have a car. She is a teacher. You're introducing your teacher to your friend, or you may be introducing your teacher to your parents. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. A. You have used here a. When we talk about what type of thing something is, when we are talking about thing, given one example for that. This is an excellent book. This is an excellent book. You're telling about a book, kind of book. One more example I've given there. I live in a big house. I live in a big house. It's a kind, you're telling about kind of house. Big house, small house. Isn't it? There are difference, right? In big house and small house. There, that is what I live in a big house. See, there also you have used a, and here you have used an, and here you have used a. Indefinite article you have used. One example I have shown you. And next, we do not use the articles a and an with the following. With the following. I'll erase this. Don't copy this and all things in your book. Okay? Just I'm explaining you. Okay, children? Now I'm going to erase this. Listen to me carefully, children. Okay. Next, we do not use the article a and an with the following. With the following. When we are using plurals, plural noun. Plural noun. We are, for example, they are boys. They are boys. See, we have not used here any article, a or an. We have used are. Okay, it's not an article. Okay, next one more example. Abstract noun. When we are using abstract noun, example, she has knowledge. She has, see, we have not used here also the articles. She has knowledge. Knowledge. And one more, material noun. Material noun. Example, I'm giving example for this also. We are not using an article. This is made up of. This is made of gold. See, in this three examples also, we have not used articles. We have not used articles. They are boys. No article here. Either there is no the also, there is no a also, there is no an also. In this sentence, she has knowledge. She has knowledge. In this sentence also, we have not used any article. This is made of gold. This is made of gold. Here also, we have not used any article. Can you see any a or an or the? No. In this sentences, we have not used any article. Which are the source? Plural nouns. Plural nouns. In the sentence, in plural noun, we are not using any articles. In abstract noun also, we are not going to use any articles. In material noun also, we are not going to use any articles. The is definite article, which means specific. Specifically, you are telling about something. Specific, we use the. One example I'm going to write for that. When we talk about something which is already known, already known to the listener, to the listener. One example for this also I am going to tell you. Example, I have a dog. I have a dog. The dog is white. The dog is white. We have used two articles in this sentence. Here, a and the. A is an article and the is also an article. I have a dog. It's telling about, for some person, we are telling that I have a dog. For friends, usually you'll tell your friend, I have dog in my house, isn't it? In the same way, I have a dog. The dog is white. Telling the about the dog. Okay, which color dog? The dog is white. The dog is white. One more example. One more example. One more example. The book you gave me was good. The book you gave me was good. Was good. Here, see, can you see the article here? The book you gave me was good. Was good. The sun is a star. The lion is the king of jungle. The lion is king of the jungle. The lion is king of the jungle. One more example. The lion is king of jungle. Here you have used the article, definite article. Specifically you are telling about the thing. When you are going to use the, when you are telling specifically, you are telling about something. The lion is king of jungle. The book you gave me was good. The book you gave me was good. When you are going to use a, she is a teacher. When you are introducing, when you are introducing, I have a car. Introducing. When you are going to use an, this is an excellent book. This is an excellent book. Hope you have understood this, children. We'll move to the exercise. Okay. I hope you have understood properly when you are going to use a and when you are going to use an and when you are going to use the in the article. Don't write this all things in your classwork or in your homework, okay? I'm teaching you the grammar. Listen to me, okay? Now which I'm giving you, you have to write in the textbook. Use pencil to write it. Don't use pen. In the grammar textbook, you should not use pen. You have to use pencil. In every class, I'm telling you, don't use pen in the grammar textbook. Only in your classwork and in your homework, you have to use the pen. Okay, now we'll move to the exercise. First main in this. First main. Tick the right option. Tick the right option. They are given. Tick the Right option. First one. My father is dash expert in driving. First question they have given in the textbook, in the grammar textbook, page number 12. Page number 12, first main. My father is dash expert in driving. They have given three options in this. A and the. Which one you will use for to write the answer? My father is an expert in driving. Is an expert in driving. Second one, can you turn on dash radio, please? Second one question I'm reading. Can you turn on dash radio, please? They have given three options in this. A, the, no article. Which one you are going to use here? Can you turn on the radio, please? Please, it's a request. Can you turn on the radio, please? Third one, he works in dash army. Third one, what is the answer? A and the. Third one, the. He works in the army. Fourth one, can I ask you dash question? Can I ask you dash question? Can I ask you a question? A question. Fifth one, I usually have dash breakfast at 7. I usually have dash breakfast at 7. There is no need to write any article in that place. That I usually have breakfast at 7. Okay, so you have to put tick mark on no article. Okay. Sixth one, dash English drink a lot of, see they have given mistakes in this. English drink a lot of tea. The English drink a lot of tea. The English drink a lot of tea. Seventh one, I takes dash hour to reach home. I takes dash hour to reach home. Which article you are going to use? An. Eighth one, the dash Statue of Liberty is in New York. Dash Statue of Liberty is in New York. What you are going to write? The. Put a tick mark. They have given three options. In that box you have to put a tick mark. Okay. Ninth one, I saw dash otter at the zoo. What you have to write? Ninth one, and. Tenth one, people say he is dash honest person. People say he is dash honest person. And people say he is an honest person. Oh, okay, now we'll move to the second main. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Fill in the blanks with suitable article. First one, I like dash blue dress better than dash red one. I like the blue dress better than the red one. Second one, Neeru is learning to play dash violin. Neeru is learning to play dash violin. The violin. Third one, Mumbai has dash largest population in India. Mumbai has dash largest population in India. The. Okay. Fourth one, the enemies shoot down the dash US fighter plane. Sorry. The enemies shoot down dash US fighter plane. What is the answer for this? The. Now I'm going to write the fifth one here. Fifth one. We went to visit dash Eiffel Tower in Paris. The. Sixth one. Would you like dash egg sandwich? Would you like dash egg sandwich? An egg sandwich. Sixth one. Finish. Seventh one. What is dash time now? What is dash time now? What is the time now? The. Eighth one. Open dash door please. Open dash door please. Open the door please. Ninth one. Ravi met with dash accident last week. Ravi met with dash accident last week. Met with an accident. And tenth one, dash moon looks really beautiful today. Dash moon looks really beautiful today. The moon looks really beautiful today. Complete this, children, in your textbook, in a grammar textbook. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, complete it. Pause this video and write complete it, children. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Use the pencil, don't use the pen. Okay. We are going to move to the third main. Identify the errors in the following. Identify the errors in the following. Third main, page number 13. Page number 13. David goes to the school in uniform. David goes to the school in uniform. Which is what you have to find out here? Identify the error in the following. First one First one, school. School is regular place of visit. So no article. Before it. Second one, clothes in this shop are really fashionable. Clothes in this shop are really fashionable. One second, children. Don't write this. 1 second. First one, David goes to school in uniform. Second one, the clothes in this shop are really fashionable. The clothes in this shop is the clothes in this shop are really fashionable. Third one, I am going to have an shower. I'm going to have an shower. Third one, I am going to have a shower. Fourth one, children like the sweets. Children like sweets. Fifth one, Nili is in Egypt. Nili is in Egypt. Nili is in Egypt. Is in Egypt. Sixth one, how far is sun from earth? How far is sun from earth? Sixth one, how far is the sun from the earth? From the earth. It's a question. You have to put the question mark at the end. Don't forget. Seventh one. What is capital of India? What is capital of India? What is capital of India? They have not given proper sentence. So we have to find out which is what is error in this sentence, and we have to correct it. Okay, what is the capital of India? Of India. Eighth one. Mom put the sandwiches in a oven. Mom put the sandwich in the oven. Ninth one. I like the English. I don't like the maths. I like the English. I don't like the maths. Ninth one. I like English. I don't like maths. I like the English. They've given I like the English. I don't like the maths. I like English. I don't like maths. 10th one, I'm going to write here. 10th one, last one in this. Is there university in your town? Is there university in your town? Is there a university? University in your town. In your town. Is there a university in your town? Okay, children, we have completed the 3 mains. Another 2 mains is left. I am going to write the 2 mains in the next class. And one important thing today, I am going to give you the assignment which you have to submit in the next week. Assignment, you have to write from the grammar. From the grammar textbook, you have to write. I'll write your homework. Okay. I have given you in the last class. You have to write. Learn and write. Second main and the third main. Second and third main from English grammar book, page number 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Write each one 2 times. Write each one 2 times. I'll write in numbers only. 2 times. Okay. This is your assignment for next week. You have to submit. Okay. From the grammar textbook. From grammar book. Okay. From grammar textbook. You have to write and you have to submit on Wednesday, children. Okay, fine, children. Thank you.